We also just heard from Baycare. They did not give us the numbers, but they did say their cases have quadrupled in the past few weeks. They also told us that it's forcing them now to tighten its visitation policy and put a pause on all elective procedures. In the meantime, as we find ourselves in yet another COVID surge, we want to take a moment here to pull back the curtain and let you in on the daily process of how we gather and report those daily COVID-19 numbers to you at home. Each number is a person, and each day and each week is a measurement of where we are and where we're headed.
It starts here, the spreadsheets. These are the documents ABC Action News producers have been keeping since COVID-19 data became public in late spring of 2020. Our team adds to them weekly so we can keep track of when our state and local counties are peaking and when we're finally seeing declines in cases and death rates. We use data reported to the state from local health departments, but recently you may have noticed a shift in all of this. Data on cases, hospitalizations, and deaths being reported less often. And when you see it, the numbers don't always match. We started to see questions about that Friday, July 30th. The weekly state COVID report showing 108 deaths reported between July 23rd and July 29th. ABC Action News is reporting 409 deaths. So what's behind the huge difference there? The key factor is the date when someone passed from COVID-19. That 108 number are all the people who died in the last week. But the state received reports of 409 people who passed in recent weeks or months. Last summer, when the number of deaths in Florida was the highest, the state told us reporting of those deaths was often delayed. Medical examiners' offices and hospitals were simply too overwhelmed to keep up with the process of reporting, and they often fell behind. Meaning the state, and therefore journalists and news operations like us, did not find out about deaths until weeks, sometimes months, after they happen. And take a look at these two graphs. This one from 2 weeks ago. We're highlighting the column here on July 2nd. Compare that to the report released last week. And take a look at the same column. It's now higher, meaning the state received reports of deaths that happened July 2nd during the last week. So now you may be wondering how we find the number that we're reporting, in this case, 409. Well, back to those spreadsheets. We are able to go back to the week before this and subtract the cumulative number week over week.
So yeah, it can get a little complicated at times, but it is our commitment to you every day to be as transparent as possible when it comes to this vital information. If you'd like to see that again, we've posted it on our website, abcactionnews.com.